From a minor trespass warning that could have been easily resolved, how did one shoplifting suspect destroy her future in under 12 minutes? On Saturday, November 23, 2024, patrol officers responded to a local Walmart following a report of an active retail theft in progress. What should have been a manageable civil exit path quickly took a dark and chaotic turn due to the suspect's rapid emotional acceleration.
I tried 2 bras on and they were too small for me.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
The ones you have on now, they found the tags for in the room.
Oh.
So
okay.
I guess you're gonna have to pay for them, right?
This is my bra, though. So you want me to pay for 2 bras that don't fit me?
You walked out the dressing room with the pink and a black bra you went in the bathroom. Now you coming out the bathroom with a different set of bras.
I had a black one on.
Yeah, we can't take both of them.
So the concern is that you're using the item and you're not paying for it. That's the concern, right?
Apparently, but I'm... You know what? I'll pay for it. Give me a large and I'll pay for it.
You want a large, but don't tell me the other bra.
So, do you have your ID? So what happened there? You obviously went in there and they weren't to your liking, right?
Yeah, and they were too big.
Okay.
I'm sorry, they were too small. They were medium. They were too small.
Okay. And so.
And I brought out the pants, the shirts, and I got one shirt that I'm buying.
Okay. Was it like a variety pack or was it a?
It was just a black and pink and green one, I think it was.
There you go.
Thank you.
Are you living in any particular address now?
I don't. I'm
homeless currently?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm staying at St. Vegas.
Do you know? Oh, okay. What about Safe Harbor? Have you tried Safe Harbor?
I actually talked to Officer Pony about doing 10 City.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. He's the guy to stay in contact
Yes.
with. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right. Nobody can make you pay for the things, but the thing is, if you walk out of the store and you have them on you, it would technically be theft.
I'll pay for them, but I'm gonna return them because they're not gonna fit me.
Well, that's the thing. Their concern is that you have them on you somewhere, or you left them somewhere, maybe in the bathroom. So we're just making sure.
There's no bras in here.
Okay. Well, let's show. Hey, she doesn't have them in her purse. So
Yeah, I don't.
Is it the black one that you have on? The black one she has on?
No, these are mine.
What? Okay, where's the? Do you have the pink one?
No, I
To
don't.
prevent this whole.
I don't have the pink one. They didn't fit me.
Okay, did you leave them in the dressing room?
I brought them back out.
And where did you put them?
I set them on the counter, and then the lady asked me where they were, and I gave them to her along with the other short or the pair of pants,
Okay.
and the shirt, and the sweatshirt.
Okay. All right. So you don't need them then.
No, how much are they? Because if they're like $25, then no, I don't. I have.
Well, no,
This is crazy.
well, we're just trying to understand.
They're $17.94 for 2 bras. Give me a large.
No, hold on. No, Ashley.
This pisses me off.
I know. This isn't. I'm trying to work with you. I'm on your side. I'm trying to understand the full story.
But the thing is, that lady was rude to me.
Okay. Which lady?
The black lady.
Okay. Which
And then
one?
she went rude to me, and then treat me like I'm a piece of shit.
Listen.
And then
we're
have
not.
800
No.
people follow me when I
Just show me.
didn't
where you,
even need the
Just
bra.
show me where you put them, and we'll work it out.
I gave them to her.
Okay. All right. Well, then if you're good.
You know what? I'll pay for the $21 bras, but I'm going to return them because I can't afford $21.
You don't need to pay for something that you didn't buy, but they were concerned because they thought you might be wearing them in the bathroom. That's all.
Okay.
That's all. And if you're not, you're not. But if you are, they just want the product back.
Where am I?
That's all. To prevent the whole theft. No.
Nope.
Ashley, don't do that. Ashley, don't.
That's what I'm saying. Like, I know I'm in public.
That's a concern. That was the only concern, okay? You don't got to get all upset.
You know, I am upset because I'm trying to grocery shop and I'm trying to get back home.
Well, we can help you get back home.
What's that? What's what? I just picked up the car.
Is room closed?
Oh, yeah. Ashley, would you happen to have this in your purse by chance? Or
Oh, what's your phone?
You're not wearing those?
you found it? Okay, so Ashley, listen, Ashley.
Just ask. You're not wearing. That's not these.
Wearing them?
Is that these? That's
No,
all
man.
I'm
I just got these from the dollar store.
For all we were talking about is right there. So you did have it at some point and put it in the bathroom. Okay, so
But it's not on me.
Ashley,
I'll pay for
you want to
it.
trespass?
Yeah.
Let's go to the front. All right, grab your bag.
I can get cookies, I can get food.
No,
I
Ashley,
can get
no.
pads.
You want to sign your trespass form? No. Okay, you're trespassed permanently.
At this point,
Ashley.
You racist.
Ashley, no. Are you insane? Are you insane?
Stop.
Are you insane?
I'm not doing nothing wrong.
You don't push a cop. You don't push a.
I didn't.
You don't push a
I
cop.
didn't.
You don't do that.
Sir, I didn't.
Well, you did, and now look what happens.
Hey, there's my nails too. That
I
got.
No.
Stop
it.
I didn't do
Stop it.
anything.
Stop.
Sir, I didn't push you.
Yeah.
Angela. Ask Angela.
No, that was mine. I bought yesterday.
880 Echo.
Yeah, I just bought it yesterday. Sir, I'm not trying to run away from you. Please stop.
Confronted by officers, suspect Ashley offered aggressive verbal denials, insisting the sports bra she was wearing was purchased elsewhere. Under constitutional standards established in Terry versus Ohio, a brief investigative stop requires only reasonable articulable suspicion. The lead officer maintained perfect factual neutrality, even attempting to offer municipal resource data to assist her unhoused situation.
She sat there and lied, and then
Nobody lied.
She did. I didn't get in her face. And I didn't push you.
You did push me.
No, I moved.
You pushed me. Now stop. Could have all been prevented.
Sir, I didn't touch her. I promise you I didn't touch her. I told you she was a racist.
So you told us that you didn't say this, but meanwhile you had it on your purse. So we're gonna charge you for this, and we're gonna charge you for the
The sports bra
Yep,
that is
one in
underneath
custody.
that one.
I'm gonna need
And we're
OP
going to
office.
rewind the footage to see if you took the mascara. Now, I don't want you to yell. I just want you to hear. Don't yell.
Which
Just
mascara?
Time out.
That's my mascara, Mama.
Okay, well, we're going to make sure.
At the same time that you saw that this was yours? No.
We're going to rewind it. I asked you if you took my nails. They were in my car. You said no. There they are. All over the ground with the glue.
No, those are mine. I did that on my hands.
Stop talking for a minute.
No, you stop lying. They're on my hands.
I know, because you glued them.
No, I didn't. I promise. I got it for $5 at the Five Below.
So you said the what 3 now earlier. So make it make sense.
I didn't say anything. No, I did not. No, I did not. I got it for $5 at Five Below yesterday.
So listen, just time out. I'm going to rewind to make sure that the mascara isn't from here. But either way, I'm going to charge you with the sports bra because you're still wearing the fucker.
Mine.
The black one that goes with the pink one because it's at a two.
Okay, so I can't wear two bras, sports bras.
We found the pink one, but you got.
I don't care if you found the pink one. I didn't steal your bra.
Like talking to Neil and Joe to a wall talking to me.
Okay. Ashley, are you wearing one of the bras that was from the pack? Okay, it's this thick. It's the thicker one, right? Okay. Thank you for being honest.
I needed a clean bra.
Understandable. But you had money in your wallet.
I know, but I was for a room so I could take a shower.
Okay, but if you need that stuff, you need to go to the Salvation Army across the street, right?
I don't know.
They will help you.
Son, so please take me to jail. I just
will.
want you to take me to jail.
I can't yet. I
Why?
can't because I'm still doing my job. I've been nice to you up to this point.
No, sir, and I apologize to you, and I told you I didn't mean to do that.
Understandable, but it's already said and done, okay? So calm down,
So,
please.
it's already said and done. Please take me to jail.
See, Ashley. Hey, Ashley, are you
Let
crazy?
me out of here!
Ashley, stop it.
Fucking let me out!
Have a seat. Settle down.
I just want to go!
All right.
I just want to go home!
Okay, then sit down and we'll take you.
No, you're not taking me home! You just told me you weren't taking me home!
I just said we're taking you to jail. Just chill out for a minute.
I don't want to go to jail. I want to go home and lay down with my medication.
Ma'am, if you do that again, it's not going to help you at all.
Just relax. Relax.
Nothing is helping me.
Get her, or
But-
how do you
We'll load her. I'll bring
Do you
this
want
to
your
you.
charges to keep racking up? You cannot do that.
Because I'm speaking up for
No,
myself.
because you're trying to escape and you're under arrest.
I'm not escaping. I'm asking you to please just take me so I can get the f out.
I
Ashley,
know,
relax.
but they still have a job to do.
I've never been to jail. What do you mean relax?
Okay, well, but you gotta calm down.
Can I hit my vape, please?
Will it help you chill?
No, my vape. No, my vape is on the...
Oh, it is.
It's on... Can you please don't forget my sweatshirt?
Are you gonna chill out?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Can
Come
you
on.
give it to my boyfriend, please, so that he doesn't...
Who is your boyfriend? We're gonna make sure you get what you need, okay? Just try to chill for a minute. All right, just try to chill.
I'm gonna be chilling sitting in jail all weekend.
Well, today's late Saturday. Probably be sometime Monday, okay? Just keep everything minor. Everything's minor right now, really.
Please, just let me
Maybe.
go.
They may have a judge available for the weekend.
Yeah, maybe
Please,
tomorrow.
Officer, just let me go. I promise you I didn't.
All right, I'm gonna close the door, okay?
However, the suspect's cover story completely collapsed the moment the officer inspected her purse and pulled out a concealed, unpurchased garment. Under the totality of circumstances framework from Illinois versus Gates, this discovery caused immediate probable cause to crystallize for a retail theft arrest. Realizing her lies were fully exposed, Ashley lost all emotional control, screamed an explicit racial slur, and suddenly launched a physical push against the officer. This explosive physical movement forced a rapid escalation in the use of force continuum, as officers immediately took her down to the floor to secure handcuffs. By transforming a non-violent property stop into a physical struggle, Ashley now faced a severe third-degree felony count of battery on a law enforcement officer. The subject loudly argued she was only speaking up for herself, but proving officer battery requires only a voluntary physical act, not personal malice. While the landmark decision City of Houston versus Hill protects profane critical speech directed at police, that constitutional protection ends the moment violence begins. The critical lesson? When a lawful off-ramp or minor citation is offered on scene, take it, because constitutional grievances are vindicated in courtrooms, not store entrances. What are your thoughts on Ashley's unforced emotional escalation and the officer's rapid use of force transition? Let us know in the comments below. Make sure to like and subscribe and check out our second channel for more legal breakdowns every week.